All right, we're doing this. Rise of the Resistance. 60-minute wait time. The time is now 6:15. We'll see. And hopefully the ride doesn't break down right before we get on it. Because that is a thing.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, First Order TIE Fighters. Wheel up, wheel up. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. I'm here.
Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, Mike.
We lost Blue 5. I'm going to try to jump him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, 9-Num? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Stay inside, quickly.
Remember those colors you were assigned. If you find that difficult, best of luck. Any questions, comments, or concerns, keep them to yourselves.
of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Buckle up as soon as you sit down.
Boys are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, and those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find the There's two droids anyway.
These snake bodies just follow us. Take them down. Hurry!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Oh boy. Here's the free fall. Hang on.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Oh, we survived!
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Stafford's pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification and...
We lived.
Yeah, Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance paid.
We survived!
You too.
We survived, buddy. High five. Yes. Woo. Barely. Woo. Let's get out before they capture us again. Still by far the best ride in Disneyland and California Adventure, in my opinion. If you disagree with me, tell me why. I really want to know. It said 60 minutes. We waited maybe 35. That seems to be the theme of today. A lot of the wait times have been much, much less. And I think maybe that's because they're trying to divert crowds to other areas. But I was very happily surprised it was only 30-35 minutes. I don't think I've ever waited less than an hour for this ride. And just the amount of theming and the interactive queue, you just don't get better than Rise of the Resistance. Always for me, a 10 out of 10. If you had as much of a magical day as I did, do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel. Click on that bell notification icon and give it a big thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Lots more to come. 2 whole weeks in Walt Disney World, a whole week at the Riviera, another week at the Grand Floridian, and a whole week on board the brand new Disney Treasure. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you had a magical, magical evening, and I will see you on the next adventure. Take care of yourselves, and of course, each other. Peace.